Hi guys, we want to make an English viral exam. Exayun. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fauji Ditya.
My name is Anissa Putri.
My name is Poppy Marsanti Ramadhani.
Okay, let's do video.
Hi guys, what are you doing this afternoon?
Nothing much. Why?
I'm free to what's up?
I was thinking, let's go to the mall. I need a new dress for the party.
That's great. I also need new shoes.
Call me in. I want to look for a gift for my cousin.
Awesome, let's meet at the mall at 3 p.m.
Where should we meet exactly?
How about at the main entrance?
Perfect, don't forget to bring your wallet. Haha.
Of course. I hope there's a sale.
Yeah, I heard a big discount at Zara and H&M.
That's even better. Let's grab some coffee after shopping too.
Sure, maybe Starbucks.
Sounds good. See you at 3 then.
Cannot wait.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
watching
watching.
and see you next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.